Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to perform an advanced search on IEEE Xplore database. To perform an advanced search, first I need a query string which I have already written in this slide that I will explain later in this video. First I need to visit the official website of IEEE Xplore. I hope everyone has an account on this site. First you need to log in into the site, then you will get the advanced search option. I just need to click here, then go to the command search option. Here I need to put the query string which I have already written in the slide. I just need to copy the query string from the slide and paste it here. Then I just need to click the search option. Based on our given query string, we got 13 results, 10 from conference, 2 from journals, and 1 from early access articles. You may filter your search result based on year, authors, affiliation, publication title, publisher, conference location, publication topics. You may also download your search result by clicking the export option, then download option. My file has already been downloaded on CSV format. You just need to click here to open it. So in the first column you will get your article title, and there are lots of information available in this CSV file. So you may get the publication year, authors details, authors affiliation, conference or journal name. Now it's time to understand the query string. So this is our given query string. So this query string has three parts. Part 1, abstract explainable or abstract explainability. Part 2, an abstract machine learning or abstract deep learning. Part 3, an abstract heart disease. The first part of the query looks for the articles where either the word explainable or explainability appears in the abstract. The second part of the query ensures that the articles also mention either the phrase machine learning or deep learning in the abstract. And the final part of the query restrict the search to the articles that mention heart disease in the abstract. Thank you.